slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RV Stuff back here once again. Today we're going to be taking a quick little look at these off-white Jordan 2s from YesKicks. Pardon me clearing my throat. I coughed earlier and there's something like stuck in my throat. So anyways, I digress. If you're new to the channel and you do like what you see in this video, show some love to your boy, subscribe, turn on notifications, drop a like on the video, and last but not least, hit that follow on my Instagram at RVStuffTV. Link is in the description as per usual. With all that out of the way, man, let's get right into it. So these are from YesKicks. There's all the information, website, email, WeChat. If you use the code RVStuff, you get $15 off. Just a little disclaimer, these are UA. I don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. But if you don't like it, you can click off the video. It's as easy as that. Just showing you what you guys would get if you spent your money like I did mine. So yeah, man, let's put the shoes to the side real quick. Take a look at the box here. So here it kind of just looks like OW, like off-white. So besides that, pretty simple box. Everything else is pretty plain. It says that there. On this side, okay, so nothing on that side. On this side here you have the size information and the colorway, that stuff. Air Jordan 2, retro low, 9.5, and then yeah, the colorway white red. That's pretty much it. Shows the sizes in UK, Europe, everything else, and that's that. Actually, one thing I did notice that's odd about these is that the fact that it shows the shoe here. I don't really keep up with too many sneaker related things lately, so I haven't watched anyone unbox these, but I don't know if that's supposed to be there. More than likely is, considering how long these shoes have been out. But yeah, so at least I think they've been out. I think these released, yeah, pretty sure. Ignore my dog squeezing her toy over there. Inside here you get this Jumpman paper, and yeah, pretty simple. But yeah, so basically you don't have any StockX stuff with the shoe. You can request it, to my knowledge. Sometimes they send it, sometimes they don't. I never request it, but either way, sometimes they send it, sometimes they don't. So yeah, if you want it, you can get it. I'm sure you just gotta ask. But yeah, so here are the shoes themselves. You got the pair on the right. Basically it. I mean, pretty simple shoe. It looks, to me, I'm not a huge fan of these, honestly, just based on how they look in general, especially around the midsole. Like they're just messy looking, right? Like the paint's all slopped on and stuff. Like it just looks kind of gross to me, but to each their own. I do like the silhouette itself. I just don't like kind of the deconstructed look on these that Off-White chose to go for. But yeah, you do get 2 extra sets of laces. You get a red pair and then a cream pair to match the midsole, and then these little loopholes. Off-White tag here. 2021 zip tie. Yeah, same old we've seen before, so no surprise there. Got that nice Jumpman tag, or Air Jordan tag, sorry, not Jumpman. There. Sizing information underneath the tongue. Inside the shoe, fairly simple. You got the Jumpman and the face on the right, Jumpman face on the left. Beyond that, overall shoe, we'll take a look at now. Kind of check it out. You know, it doesn't look too bad. Honestly, it does not look too bad. But you got even like the little imperfections and stuff, and the way it looks, it's just, I'm not a huge fan. But overall, quality of the shoe is proper. I don't really see anything out of the ordinary with them compared to how they're supposed to look. So this side, you got a mix of materials. This is kind of like snake skin, gator skin texture. I don't know what this is supposed to say. Honestly, it's probably a signature. It might be, yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna sound stupid. I was about to say it might be Michael Jordan's signature, but it has an M there. I don't know what it is, but if you guys know what that says, let me know in the comment section. Beyond that, you know, regular stuff. Toe box, it's pretty good. Stitching looks on point. Actually, I don't really see any glaring stitching mistakes, so that's good. Off-white for Nike, Air Jordan, Beaverton, and then the rest is kind of covered up by this accenting here in that rubber material. You see you got like kind of the pull tab here stitched in. So yeah, got the exposed foam, you know, as per usual with Off-White. Exposed foam all around the ankle support, as well as the tongue. Black set of laces in the shoe when you get them, and then obviously you got your extra pairs if you want to switch them up. Bottom of the shoe here, Nike has those little dots all throughout. Like this shit, I don't know, I'm not a fan of that. Like I usually like the deconstructed look, but that's just a little too extra to me. I don't know. So yeah, that's that. You know, nothing much really else to talk about on this shoe. We'll check the left shoe out. You can see the rest. Off-White for Nike, Air Jordan, Beaverton, Oregon. Same old, you know. Midsole is obviously a little bit different on each shoe, from pair to pair, from shoe to shoe, even in each pair. So yeah, overall pretty good. Same thing on this side. Don't know what the hell that's supposed to say. Inside the shoe, shoelaces, you know, shoe tree, regular old stuff. See, this one doesn't really have as much holes on the Nike logo. Well, actually on the Nike logo itself it might have more, but it doesn't have any like here, like the other one did, or here, or whatever, wherever it was. But yeah, that's pretty much it though, guys. I'm gonna let y'all go. You know, I don't want to take too long with this video, especially with my dog playing with their toy in the background. So that's pretty much it though. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, DM me on Instagram. With that being said, if you guys don't already follow me on there, I do want you to, just so you can contact me if you have any questions. I'll try to help you out on there. I don't really do anything through YouTube comments except show love back to people showing love to me. And yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. Hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Stay blessed, stay safe. If you're new to the channel, like what you see, show some love to your boy. And with that out of the way, stay blessed, stay safe ×2, and enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Have a good one. Bye.